Most people have a brown bottle of rubbing alcohol sitting somewhere in the bathroom. Usually it's next to the cotton balls, and the only time it comes out is when someone needs a shot or gets a small cut. That is a massive waste of what is actually one of the most powerful and most overlooked household tools you own. That $2 bottle sitting in your cabinet right now can replace at least $400 worth of specialty products that are taking up space under your sink and draining your wallet every single month. Companies know exactly what this product can do, which is why you will never see it advertised next to the $9 disinfecting spray that has the same active ingredient in a fancier label. Today, we are counting down 20 uses for rubbing alcohol that most people have completely forgotten about. And number one is the biggest cleaning industry scam hiding in plain sight on every grocery store shelf in America. Let's get into it. Number 20. Clean your keyboard and electronics. Your keyboard is one of the dirtiest surfaces in your entire home. Studies have shown it carries more bacteria per square inch than a toilet seat, and most people never clean it because they're afraid of moisture damaging the keys. That fear is exactly what keeps them from doing it. Rubbing alcohol evaporates almost instantly, which means it leaves no moisture behind and cannot damage the electronics underneath. Dip a cotton ball or a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and wipe down every key and the gaps between them. The alcohol pulls out the oils, dead skin, and bacteria that have built up over months. Do it once a week and you will never look at your keyboard the same way again. This same method works on your remote controls, your game controllers, your laptop trackpad, and the edges of your tablet screen. All of those surfaces you touch constantly and almost never disinfect. Number 19. Erase permanent marker from any hard surface. If a permanent marker has ended up somewhere it absolutely should not be, a countertop, a whiteboard, a glass surface, a wood desk, do not panic and do not reach for anything expensive. Dab rubbing alcohol onto a cloth and wipe directly over the mark. The alcohol breaks down the ink polymer and it lifts cleanly off the hard surface below. This is not a trick, it is basic chemistry. Dry erase markers are literally engineered as a lower grip version of the same formula, which is why alcohol dissolves both. Specialty marker removers cost $5 to $7 for a tiny bottle, and they do nothing that rubbing alcohol cannot do for pennies. Number 18. Eliminate shoe odor permanently. Shoe deodorizer sprays are one of the biggest repeat purchase scams in the personal care aisle. You buy a $7 can, it lasts a few weeks, and you buy another. The reason is that those sprays are mostly water and synthetic fragrance. They mask the smell for a day or two. They do not kill the bacteria that causes it. The odor comes from bacteria that thrive in the warm, damp environment inside your shoe. Spray the inside of your shoes with rubbing alcohol after every wear and let them sit overnight. The alcohol eliminates the bacteria at the source. No smell the next morning, no buildup over time, no repeat purchase every 3 weeks. A $2 bottle of rubbing alcohol outlasts a dozen cans of spray deodorizer. Number 17. De-ice your car locks and door seals in winter. If you live somewhere with freezing winters, you have had the moment where the car door seal is frozen shut or the lock cylinder is completely iced over. Commercial de-icers at the auto parts store run $6 to $10, and most people leave them in the house, which defeats the entire purpose. Keep a small spray bottle of rubbing alcohol in your coat pocket or your bag during winter months. Spray it into the lock or along the frozen door seal, and the ice breaks apart on contact. Alcohol dramatically lowers the freezing point of water and works faster than any aerosol de-icer on the shelf. It costs almost nothing and fits in your pocket. This is one of those things that once you know, you will never go back. Number 16. Remove sticker residue and price tag ghost marks. That sticky gray film left behind after you peel off a price tag or a label is one of the most annoying things in a home. Goo Gone costs $5 for a bottle the size of a travel shampoo. Rubbing alcohol does the same job. Saturate the residue for 30 seconds and wipe it off cleanly. The alcohol dissolves the adhesive compound without damaging the surface underneath. Works on glass jars, plastic containers, wood furniture, metal appliances, and painted walls. If you have ever spent 20 minutes trying to rub off a stubborn label with your fingernail, this will feel like a miracle the first time you use it. Number 15. Make a real eyeglass cleaner for pennies. Those small spray bottles of eyeglass cleaner at the optometrist cost $5 to $8 each, and they are empty in 2 weeks. The active ingredient in every single one of them is isopropyl alcohol. You are buying a branded bottle of something you already own. Fill a small spray bottle with a 50-50 mix of rubbing alcohol and distilled water, and you have the identical product for almost zero cost. Spray it on your lenses, wipe with a clean microfiber cloth, and you get a streak-free result every time. No film, no residue, no smearing. This also works perfectly on reading glasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. Number 14. Kill fruit flies on contact. If fruit flies have taken over your kitchen, there are 2 approaches that actually work. The first is direct contact. Add rubbing alcohol to a small spray bottle and mist directly onto any fruit flies you see sitting on the counter, the fruit bowl, or the sink. It kills them instantly without leaving any chemical residue on your food surfaces. The second approach is a passive trap. Fill a small jar with a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol and a single drop of dish soap. Set it near the fruit bowl. The alcohol attracts them, and the dish soap breaks the surface tension so they cannot escape. Most people spend weeks fighting fruit flies with vinegar traps that take days to work. This is faster and cleaner. Number 13. Deep clean your hairbrush and combs. Hair tools accumulate dead skin cells, styling product buildup, and bacteria over time, and most people either ignore it or rinse them under cold water, which does almost nothing. After removing the loose hair from the brush, let it soak in a shallow cup of rubbing alcohol for 10 to 15 minutes. The alcohol dissolves the product residue and kills the bacteria that regular water cannot touch. Pull it out, rinse once, and let it air dry. Your brush will look close to new and it will actually be hygienic. This is especially important if you are using the same brush every single day on clean hair. Number 12. Remove hairspray buildup from your bathroom surfaces. The sticky, hazy film that builds up on your mirror, your countertop, and the wall tiles around where you style your hair is one of the hardest things to clean with standard spray cleaners. Regular all-purpose cleaner just smears it around. Rubbing alcohol cuts straight through it in one pass. Hairspray is a polymer-based compound, and alcohol is the solvent that dissolves it. One cloth soaked in rubbing alcohol removes months of buildup from your mirror in under 2 minutes. Your bathroom will look cleaner than it has in years just from this one step. All right, we are past the halfway point on this list, and we have already replaced close to $100 worth of products you are buying every year. But the next half is where the real savings show up. We are talking pest control, medical products, and one item that the cleaning industry has been overcharging you on for decades. The numbers on these next ones are going to surprise you. Stay with me. Number 11. Sanitize your phone screen the right way. Your phone is with you everywhere. It sits on restaurant tables, on bathroom counters, on gym equipment, in your car, and in your hand for hours every day. Studies consistently show it carries more germs than almost any other object you regularly touch. Individually packaged screen wipes cost 25 to 50 cents each, and they add up fast if you use them daily. A microfiber cloth with a small amount of 70% rubbing alcohol does the exact same job for almost nothing. And here's what most people do not know. The percentage printed on the bottle actually matters in a way nobody talks about. 70% isopropyl alcohol is more effective at killing bacteria and viruses than 90%. The reason is that the higher concentration evaporates too quickly to fully penetrate and destroy the cell wall. The water content in 70% slows the evaporation and allows it to work completely. If you've been buying the 90% bottle because it sounded stronger, you've been paying more for less effective disinfection. Number 10. Remove ink stains from fabric before they set. If a ballpoint pen has leaked in your shirt pocket or a gel pen has marked your bag lining, do not put it in the wash yet. Applying rubbing alcohol directly to the stain and blotting it before washing is the step that actually removes ink from fabric. The alcohol dissolves the polymer base of the ink and pulls it out of the fibers. Blot from the outside of the stain inward, never scrub, and apply more alcohol as needed. Rinse with cold water and then wash normally. This works on most ballpoint and gel inks. Most people go straight to expensive stain removers or write the item off completely when the $2 solution was already in the cabinet. Number 9. Stop a bedbug problem before it becomes a disaster. Professional pest control treatment for bed bugs runs anywhere from $300 to $1,500 for a single visit, and most people need multiple treatments. Rubbing alcohol kills bed bugs and their eggs on direct contact by penetrating and dissolving their outer shell. If you discover an early stage problem, spray all mattress seams, the joints of your bed frame, the backs of your headboard, and any baseboards near the bed. This will not eliminate a heavy infestation on its own, but it is one of the most effective tools for stopping an early stage problem before it spreads to the rest of the room. Most people find out about this after they've already written the check to the exterminator. Number 8. A deodorant backup that actually works. If you have ever run out of deodorant and needed a solution immediately, rubbing alcohol is not just a workaround. It targets the actual cause of body odor directly. Body odor does not come from sweat itself. It comes from bacteria on the skin breaking down sweat compounds. Rubbing alcohol kills those bacteria on contact. Dab it under your arms with a cotton ball, let it dry completely, and the odor-causing bacteria are gone for hours. It is not an antiperspirant, so it will not reduce sweating, but it fully handles the odor. This is the same principle behind many clinical deodorant formulations, just without the $12 price tag. Number 7. Erase water rings from wood furniture. A white water ring left on a wood table or dresser from a glass or a bottle looks like permanent damage, and most people assume it is. It is not. That white haze is caused by moisture trapped in the finish, not actual damage to the wood underneath. Dab a cloth lightly in rubbing alcohol and rub the ring gently in the direction of the wood grain. The alcohol pulls the trapped moisture out of the finish layer and the white ring disappears. Do not oversaturate the cloth and do not scrub. 1 or 2 slow passes in the direction of the grain is enough. A fix that looks like it should cost a furniture refinisher to do takes under 2 minutes and costs nothing. Number 6. Clean and extend the life of your makeup brushes. Makeup brush cleaner sets cost $10 to $20 for a small bottle and a cleaning mat. The active ingredient doing the work is isopropyl alcohol. Pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol into a shallow dish, swirl each brush in it for 30 seconds, wipe on a clean cloth, and let the brushes air dry flat. The alcohol dissolves the makeup pigment and product buildup completely, kills the bacteria inside the bristles that cause skin breakouts, and conditions the ferrule so bristles stay tight. Doing this once a week extends brush life from months to years. Professional makeup artists have used this method for decades. The branded brush cleaner exists to sell you something you do not need. Number 5. Head lice treatment for under $1. Store-bought lice treatments like Rid and Nix cost $15 to $25 per application, require a second application a week later to catch any newly hatched eggs, and still rely on a chemical your local lice population may already be resistant to. Rubbing alcohol applied directly to the hair and scalp kills lice on contact, and also breaks down the protein glue that holds knit eggs to the hair shaft, which is the step most treatments miss entirely. Apply it generously, cover the hair with a shower cap for 30 minutes, and then comb through section by section with a fine-tooth knit comb. Wash out and repeat the combing the following day. The total cost is under $1 versus $50 or more for 2 rounds of commercial treatment. Keep it away from eyes and do not use near open flame. Number 4. Neutralize and remove tough odors from fabric. Fabric refresher sprays like Febreze are built on a single mechanism, odor neutralization through a cyclodextrin compound that traps odor molecules. But rubbing alcohol does something more fundamental. It kills the bacteria and microorganisms producing the odor in the first place. Spray rubbing alcohol directly onto fabric, gym bags, couch cushions, curtains, car upholstery, and let it air dry. The smell does not just get masked, the source gets eliminated. A $2 bottle handles more odor treatment than a $5 can of Febreze, and it does not leave a powdery residue or a perfume smell behind. Number 3. Revive and sanitize secondhand or thrift store finds. If you shop at thrift stores, estate sales, or buy secondhand furniture and clothing, rubbing alcohol is the first thing you should reach for before anything comes into your home. Spray fabric items, wipe down hard surfaces, and clean out drawers and cabinet interiors. Rubbing alcohol kills the surface bacteria, mold spores, and odor compounds that accumulate on used items without damaging most finishes or fabrics. This one step prevents you from bringing hidden contamination into your home from items that may have been sitting in storage for years. Number 2, make a reusable cold pack for injuries. Reusable gel cold packs from the pharmacy cost $8 to $15 each, and they crack, leak, and need to be replaced every year or two. You can make a flexible, reusable cold pack at home that works just as well and costs almost nothing. Mix 1 part rubbing alcohol with 3 parts water in a Ziploc freezer bag, seal it, and put it inside a second bag for reinforcement. Put it in the freezer. The alcohol prevents the water from freezing solid, so what you get is a slushy, flexible pack that molds around a knee, an ankle, or a shoulder and stays cold for 20 to 30 minutes. Make 2 of them and rotate. They last indefinitely in the freezer and cost less than $1 to make. Alright, before we get to number 1, if this kind of straight talk, money-saving content is useful to you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you see every video we put out. Now, number 1, the DIY disinfectant spray. This is the one that should make you stop in the cleaning aisle the next time you go to the store and actually read the label on what you are about to put in your cart. Those $6 to $8 bottles of Lysol, Clorox, and store-brand disinfecting spray have one active ingredient: isopropyl alcohol. Everything else in the bottle is water, synthetic fragrance, colorant, and a stabilizer. You are paying $8 for a product that is between 58 and 70% water with a branded label on the outside. The formula that actually does the disinfecting is the same compound you already own for $2. Mix 1 part rubbing alcohol with 1 part water in a clean spray bottle. That is the functional equivalent of every disinfecting spray on that shelf. It meets the same EPA disinfection threshold for killing viruses, bacteria, and mold spores on hard surfaces. A single $2 bottle of rubbing alcohol makes 6 to 8 full-size spray bottles worth of disinfectant. That is $48 to $64 worth of product for $2. The version you make at home has no artificial fragrance, no unnecessary chemicals, and no markup for the brand name printed on the outside. The cleaning industry has been doing this to consumers for decades, and the rubbing alcohol aisle is the clearest proof of it, sitting right in the same store. $2, 20 uses. Which one surprised you the most? And is there one I did not cover that you swear by at home? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one, and the best ones end up in future videos. Subscribe to the channel for more of these. And YouTube thinks you will like this video next, so check it out, and I will see you in the next episode.